Hello everyone, welcome to Neutron. So today we'll be doing the current affairs show, the daily one-liner series of 25th June. So let's begin with the today's session. Cabinet approvals made in June 2021, and what are they? First one is the Central Railside Warehouse Corporation Limited, a mini Ratna company, will be merged with the Central Warehouse Corporation. And B. India and St. Vincent and the Grenadines are set to sign an MOU for exchange of information and assistance in tax collection. Next is points related to the BRICS Green Hydrogen Summit 2021. The answer is in 2021, India launched the National Hydrogen Mission to boost the manufacturing of hydrogen and fuel cells technologies. Next, which country recently signed the framework agreement of the International Solar Alliance Framework Agreement and Instrument of Ratification with India? The answer is Denmark. Next, Bangalore was ranked as the India's most livable capital city in the Ease of Living Index 2020, released by? The answer is Center of Science and Environment. Name the organization that partnered with National Skill Development Corporation to launch Digital Skill Champions program. The answer is WhatsApp. The Environment Ministry constituted a Coastal Zone Management Authority to protect and improve the quality of coastal environment of which state? The answer is Karnataka. Where is the Indian Farmer Fertilizers Cooperative planning to establish a nano urea liquid manufacturing plant as per the MOU signed between IFCO, INAES and COPRAR? The answer is Argentina. Organization that partnered with the Ministry of Tribal Affairs to conduct Nishtha program in Eklavya model residential schools across India. The answer is National Council of Educational Research and Training. Which country will receive tax expertise from India under the Tax Inspectors Without Borders program? The answer is Bhutan. Who represented India in the 11th BRICS Science and Technology Steering Committee meeting? The answer is Sanjeev Kumar Varshney. UNESCO Intergovernmental Oceanographic Commission partnered with the CEOS Coast to improve the accuracy of coastal database. Which Indian institute topped among the global pioneering B schools level 5 in the second edition of the Positive Impact Rating 2021? The answer is Goa Institute of Management. Which company partnered with SBI Cards to issue co-branded contactless credit cards to issue rewards on shopping? The answer is Fab India. Which bank partnered with Aphthonia Lab to implement innovative financial solutions in India? The answer is Yes Bank. India's GDP projection for financial year 2022 as per the S&P Global Ratings. The answer is 9.5%. Who was appointed as the Chief Executive Officer of Magma FinCorp? The answer is Vijay Deshwal. Central government extended the tenure of Anant Barua and S.K. Mohanty as full-time members of SEBI for how many years? The answer is 2 years. Company which is set to acquire the 1200 megawatt SR Power's Mahan project in Madhya Pradesh. The answer is Adani Power. Name the title of India's official Olympic theme song that was launched by Sports Minister Kiran Rijiju. The answer is Lakshya Tera Samne Hai. Benigno Aquino III passed away. He was the former president of which country? The answer is Philippines. Which union territory launched the Mukhyamantri COVID-19 Parivar Arthik Sahayata Yojana to provide financial assistance to family members of COVID-19 deceased? The answer is Delhi. Which state government partnered with the United Nations World Food Programme to improve nutrition security in the state? The answer is Odisha. Maharashtra government approved the transfer of ownership of Navi Mumbai International Airport to which company? The answer is Adani Airports Holdings. Identify the bank that launched the chatbot EVA on the Common Service Center Digital Seva portal. The answer is HDFC Bank. Who is the current Chief Medical Advisor to the President of United States? The answer is Anthony Fauci. Which section under the Banking Regulation Act of 1949 provides provision for all banking companies to hold license and follow the guidelines issued by the RBI? The answer is Section 22. Who became the first recipient of the Nobel Peace Prize in 1901? The answer is Henry Dunant. Great Barrier Reef, the world's largest coral reef system and UNESCO World Heritage Site, is located on the coast of which country? The answer is Australia. So by this we come to the end of the today's revision session. Thank you so much for your time and patience, and please do like, share and subscribe my channel so that you can get regular updates about my upcoming videos. Thank you so much.